Luigino, sorry, quick question right here. You're amongst your friends and colleagues here at the Veneto Center. This is a history in the making or a history repeated?
This is every year we do the same sausage.
Is that right? How many pounds this year?
500 pounds.
500 pounds of maiale.
Yep.
And just straight coarse ground.
Just coarse ground with salt and pepper and wine, nothing else.
Beautiful. Let's see these wonderful people. Hey, everybody. Viva Leon! So can you tell me what you're doing here to make sure that you have enough salt? You're tasting the little fry.
We're tasting, now we're tasting because it has more content and spicy.
Oh, a little bit of hot spice. Okay, what do you think? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh,
It's hot.
how is it?
That's it, all of it. Finish? Done.
Inside, out, leash, pinch.
Tornerà tutto e sai.
Beautiful, and repeat.
Repeat all the same story.
Beautiful.
A lot of people gonna learn from this now.
Viva il Veneto!